Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to another exciting and transformative episode. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into something incredibly powerful, something that can truly change the way you present yourself to the world. Yes, today we're talking about how to build confidence in public speaking. I know many of you want to speak confidently in front of others, whether it's giving a presentation at work, speaking at a social event, or even sharing your ideas in a group. But let's be honest, public speaking can feel intimidating. Maybe you've felt your heart race, your palms sweat, or struggled to find the right words when all eyes are on you. If you've ever wished to speak with ease, captivate an audience, or feel confident in any speaking situation, this episode is for you. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to share simple, practical, and powerful tips to help you become a confident public speaker. Picture this as a cozy chat between friends, sitting in a warm cafe with a cup of coffee or tea, talking about how to conquer your fears and shine when you speak. No stress, no pressure, just friendly, actionable, and fun advice. Here's the best part. Confidence in public speaking isn't about being perfect. Many people think you need to have a flawless speech, a booming voice, or zero nerves to be a great speaker. But that's not true. Confidence is about preparation, practice, and embracing your unique voice. It's about connecting with your audience and sharing your message without fear. Why is public speaking confidence important? Think about this. When you speak confidently, doors open. You can inspire others, share your ideas, lead teams, and even advance your career. Confidence in speaking gives you the freedom to express yourself and make an impact. In today's episode, I'll take you on a step-by-step journey to build unshakable confidence in public speaking. I'll share 5 powerful strategies that are simple, practical, and effective. You don't need to be a natural-born speaker. You don't need years of experience. And you don't need to wait for the perfect moment to start. All you need is the right mindset and the right tools, and I'll show you exactly how to get there. Are you ready? Awesome, let's dive in. Understanding confidence in public speaking. Before we jump into the strategies, let's first understand what confidence in public speaking really means. Many people think confidence means speaking loudly, using fancy words, or never feeling nervous. But that's not true. Confidence is not about perfection, it's about being comfortable in your own skin, delivering your message clearly, and connecting with your audience. Even if you feel a little nervous, let me ask you a question. When you speak in casual conversations with friends, do you always use big words? Do you never stumble over your words? Do you feel nervous every time you talk? Of course not. Even the most confident speakers pause, correct themselves, or feel a flutter, have nerves sometimes, but they keep going. And that's what confidence is all about. So, let's clear up some myths about public speaking confidence and focus on what really matters. Confidence versus perfection. What's the difference? Many people worry too much about perfection. Perfection means delivering a speech with no mistakes, perfect gestures, and flawless pronunciation every time. Of course, being polished is great. But confidence and perfection are not the same thing. Imagine two speakers. Speaker A prepares a perfect speech, memorizes every word, and delivers it flawlessly, but feels stiff and disconnected from the audience. Speaker B speaks naturally, makes small mistakes, but engages the audience with passion and authenticity. Which speaker seems more confident? Speaker B, of course. Confidence is about connection and authenticity, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect to inspire. You need to be understood and relatable. So, my advice, don't wait until you're perfect to start speaking. Start now, practice now, and confidence will follow. Common myths about public speaking confidence. Let's bust some common myths that hold people back from becoming confident speakers. Myth number 1, you need to be naturally charismatic to be a confident speaker. Truth. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Many great speakers like Oprah or Tony Robbins, started out nervous but became confident through practice. Focus on preparation and repetition, not charisma. Myth number 2, you need to eliminate nervousness to be confident. Truth. Even professional speakers feel nervous. Confidence doesn't mean zero nerves, it means managing them. Nervousness is just energy, and you can channel it to make your speech more engaging. Myth number 3, you need to have a loud voice or perfect pronunciation. Truth. Confidence is about clarity, not volume. People care about your message, not how loud you are. As long as your audience can understand you, your voice is perfect as it is. Myth number 4, you need years of experience to be confident. Truth. Confidence comes from practice, not time. You can build confidence in weeks or months by practicing consistently, even in small ways. Myth number 5, confident speakers never make mistakes. Truth. Everyone makes mistakes, even the best speakers stumble or forget a word. The difference? Confident speakers don't let mistakes stop them. They keep going and focus on their message. What does confidence really look like? A confident speaker communicates their ideas clearly, engages the audience with enthusiasm, feels comfortable, even if they're a little nervous, handles mistakes gracefully without panicking, connects with the audience through eye contact and storytelling. Notice that none of these say never makes mistakes or speaks perfectly. Confidence is about delivering your message with conviction and authenticity. How can you measure your confidence? If you want to know how confident you are as a speaker, ask yourself, can I explain my ideas clearly without overthinking? Can I keep my audience engaged for 5 to 10 minutes? Do I feel comfortable speaking, even if I'm a little nervous? Can I recover from a mistake without freezing? Do I enjoy sharing my thoughts with others? If you answered yes to some of these, you're already on your way to confidence. If you answered not yet, don't worry, this episode will show you how to get there. The 5 key steps to building confidence in public speaking. Now that we understand what confidence really means, let's talk about how to build it. Many people feel lost because they don't know where to start. But don't worry, I'm going to share 5 practical steps to help you become a confident speaker faster. These are simple strategies you can start using today. If you follow them consistently, you'll see huge improvements in your speaking skills and confidence. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Prepare thoroughly. One of the biggest keys to confidence is preparation. When you know your material well, you feel ready to face any audience. Preparation reduces nervousness and helps you focus on your message, not your fears. How to prepare effectively. Know your audience. Understand who you're speaking to and tailor your message to their interests. Organize your speech. Have a clear structure: introduction, main points, and conclusion. Practice your content. Rehearse your speech multiple times, but don't memorize it word for word. Know the key points so you can speak naturally. Use notes sparingly. Write down key points or a simple outline to keep you on track. But don't rely on reading a script. Visualize success. Imagine yourself delivering a great speech to boost your confidence. When you're prepared, you'll feel more in control. And that's the foundation of confidence. Step 2. Practice speaking regularly. Confidence comes from doing. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll feel. You don't need a stage or a big audience to practice. Start small and build up. Ways to practice speaking. Talk to yourself. Practice your speech or talk about your day out loud. When you're alone, record yourself. Record a practice speech, watch it, and note what you did well or want to improve. Join a speaking group. Try organizations like Toastmasters or local meetups to practice with others. Speak in low-stakes settings. Share a story with friends. Give a short presentation at work. Or lead a small group discussion. Shadow great speakers. Watch TED Talks or speeches online and mimic their tone, gestures, or pacing. The more you practice, the more natural speaking will feel. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Step 3. Master your body language. Your body language speaks as loudly as your words. Confident speakers use their posture, gestures, and eye contact to connect with their audience. How to improve body language? Stand tall, keep your shoulders back and head up to project confidence. Use purposeful gestures, move your hands to emphasize key points, but don't overdo it. Make eye contact. Look at your audience to build trust and engagement. If it feels overwhelming, focus on one person at a time. Smile. A warm smile makes you approachable and helps you relax. Practice in front of a mirror. Watch your movements to ensure they align with your message. Good. Body language makes you feel confident and helps your audience connect with you. Step 4. Manage nervousness. Nervous is normal, but it doesn't have to stop you. Confident speakers don't eliminate nerves, they learn to manage them. How to handle nervousness? Breathe deeply, take slow, deep breaths before and during your speech to calm your nerves. Reframe nerves as excitement. Tell yourself, I'm excited to share my message. Instead of I'm nervous, focus on the audience. Shift your attention from yourself to your audience's needs. Think, how can I help them? Start small. Practice in low-pressure settings to build confidence. Before big presentations, use positive affirmations. Remind yourself, I'm prepared and I can do this. Nervousness is just energy. Channel it into passion for your message. Step 5. Connect with your audience. Second fence ain't just about you, it's about building a connection with your listeners. When your audience feels engaged, you'll feel more confident. How to connect with your audience? Tell stories, share personal anecdotes or examples to make your message relatable. Ask questions. Involve your audience by asking, have you ever felt this way? Or what do you think? Show enthusiasm. Let your passion for your topic shine through. It's contagious. Be authentic. Speak like yourself, not like someone you think you should be. Adapt to feedback. Watch your audience's reactions and adjust your tone or pace if needed. When you focus on connection, your confidence grows because you're not just speaking, you're sharing. Common mistakes and how to fix them. Even with the best intentions, many people struggle to build confidence in public speaking because of common mistakes. These errors slow down progress, but they're easy to fix once you know what to avoid. Let's go through the most common mistakes and how to correct them. Mistake 1. Overfocusing on memorization. Many speakers try to memorize their entire speech, word for word. This makes them sound robotic and panics them if they forget a line. Why it's a problem? Memorizing takes away your natural flow and makes you focus on words, not connection. How to fix it? Memorize key points, not every word. Practice delivering your speech in different ways to stay flexible. Focus on your message, not the exact wording. Mistake 2. Ignoring the audience. Some speakers focus so much on their content that they forget about the audience. They talk at people, not to them. Why it's a problem? If you don't engage your audience, they'll lose interest and you'll feel disconnected. How to fix it? Make eye contact, ask questions, and watch for audience reactions. Tailor your speech to their needs and interests. Mistake 3. Overloading with information. Some speakers pack too many facts or details into their speech, overwhelming the audience. Why it's a problem? Too much information confuses listeners and dilutes your message. How to fix it? Focus on 2 to 3 key points. Use stories or examples to make your message clear and memorable. Mistake 4. Avoiding practice. Many people avoid practicing because they think they'll wing it or don't have time. Why it's a problem? Without practice, you'll feel unprepared and nervous, which hurts your confidence. How to fix it? Practice daily, even for 10 minutes. Rehearse in front of a mirror. Record yourself or practice with a friend. Mistake 5. Being afraid of mistakes. Some speakers freeze or lose confidence if they stumble over a word or make a mistake. Why it's a problem? Fear of mistakes stops you from speaking freely and authentically. How to fix it? Embrace mistakes as part of the process. If you stumble, pause, smile, and keep going. Your audience won't care as much as you think. Mistake 6. Not managing nervousness. Many speakers let nerves take over, which makes them feel and appear less confident. Why it's a problem? Uncontrolled nervousness can distract you and disconnect you from your audience. How to fix it? Use breathing techniques, positive affirmations, and small practice sessions to build confidence over time. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll improve faster and feel more confident every time you speak. Final tips and motivation. You've now learned the 5 key steps to building confidence in public speaking and the common mistakes to avoid. But before we wrap up, I want to share some final tips and a little motivation to keep you on track. Becoming a confident speaker is like a journey. Sometimes it's exciting, sometimes it's challenging, but if you keep moving forward, you'll get there. Final tips for success: be consistent, practice speaking every day, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes. Small, daily efforts lead to big results. Surround yourself with opportunities. Join speaking groups, volunteer for presentations, or practice with friends to make speaking a natural part of your life. Find a mentor or partner. Connect with someone who can give feedback or practice with you. A supportive partner makes a huge difference. Embrace mistakes. See mistakes as learning opportunities. Every stumble is a step toward confidence. Enjoy the process. Make speaking fun. Practice with topics you love. Tell stories, or even perform in front of friends for laughs. Motivation. You can do this. I know public speaking can feel scary sometimes. You might think, I'll never be confident, or I'm too nervous to speak well. But let me remind you, every great speaker was once a beginner. They felt nervous, stumbled over words, and doubted themselves. But they kept practicing. You can do the same. Believe in yourself and trust the process. One day, you'll look back and realize, whoa, I did it. Confidence in public speaking isn't a dream, it's achievable, and you're already on the right path. Thank you so much for joining me in today's episode on how to build confidence in public speaking. I hope these tips, steps, and motivation inspire you to take action. Keep practicing, stay positive, and don't give up. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shining, and take care.